Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to create this beautiful shadow box with lights. To make the box I used a 11.5 by 11.5 inches piece of white cardstock. Score this piece at a quarter, 1.25, 1.5 and 2.5 inches. Repeat this on all the four sides. Also score at 2 3/4 till the second scored line. Repeat this on both the sides. Cut off the cardstock from all the four corners as shown in the video. Now fold along the scored lines. Assemble the box using some strong double-sided tape. Now it's time to add the lights to the box. Use sellotape to hold the wire in place. Make sure to apply the tape on both sides of the light bulbs and also on the corners. Now cut a few pieces of designer paper equal to the size of the box and glue them as shown in the video. Using a craft cardstock and a gold mirror cardstock, I am cutting out the alphabets to spell out my name. You can choose any colored cardstock of your choice. If you don't have the cutting dies, then you can draw the alphabets and then cut them out. Now I'll adhere all the alphabets to spell out my name. I'll also add a few beads to the box. I'm using the beads of 3 different sizes. You can choose them as per your liking. Apply some double-sided tape to all the edges so that you can adhere a piece of acetate to it. The links to all the products I used will be given in the description box. Cut half an inch strips for the edges of the box and 1 inch strips for the sides of the box. Adhere all these strips as shown in the video. And your shadow box is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also hit the bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.